If you want to build a robot, it kinda has to be a robot. Let's give it a try.
Hello, GoBoxers! Today we will be learning about Python instead of Scratch. Python is a text-based programming language instead of blocks. And for that we will need to start Genie, our new programming environment. If Genie isn't on your card, it means you need to run a DI update. Get Genie first and then come back. We will eventually use this section to code. But for now we will start with the interactive Python. Scroll down here till you see the Terminal tab and click on it. This section will become black. That means you are in the terminal. Type in Python, P-Y-T-H-O-N, and the Enter key. Those three arrows mean that Python is now running and awaiting your commands. The first line you have to enter in Python is kind of weird. You just have to take it for granted for now. From GoPyGo. GoPyGo is the name of a Python library. That's a collection of functions that will allow us to control the robot. Import star. Star means import everything. I want to have access to all commands that the GoPyGo knows. If you have trouble getting a star on your keyboard, try using the Shift key and the 8 key. The star is on top of the 8 key. Press the Enter key and get absolutely nothing back. That's actually good. You would get errors if something went wrong, but all is well. Now we can start to have some fun and still be safe. My first command to the robot will actually be stop. I need to put 2 parentheses after the command because this is what Python calls a function call. And functions need parentheses. Think of a function as a specialized Scratch block. By pressing Enter, I'm sending the command to the GoPyGo, which does absolutely nothing because it's already not moving. But see, by using my up arrow key, I get a quick way of getting that command back. Now with the GoPyGo on its back, because I don't want it roaming about just yet, I'll send the forward command. And the wheels are moving. Pressing the up arrow key gives me my last command, and pressing it back up again, I get my stop command. Send that one. Now I'll enter a right and a left command. And I can improvise a little dance just by using my up arrow key and pressing Enter on the command I want. This is called live coding, just like live music. This is all good and well, but I don't want to have to type my code all the time. So I'll start using the editor. Remember the first line you must enter? From GoPyGo, import star. No capital letters, even if this is the beginning of a sentence. Let's improvise a short dance. Forward, left, right, left, right, backward, and stop. I can't use my up arrow key here. I have to type it all. Then I need to save this file and give it a name. I'll call it dance.py. The .py at the end tells me and the computer that this is a Python file. I'll save it in the Py folder for now. I'm ready to run this little program now. By clicking on the gear icon, Python will start and go through all the commands one by one. Well, that did absolutely nothing. What about that? It says the program exited with code 0. That means no error happens. I can press the Enter key or the Return key, it's the same one, to go back to editing my program. Well, the reason nothing happened is that Python is incredibly fast. So I'm going to import another library to help out, called time. From time, import sleep. I only want the sleep function, so I'm not using the star trick that imports everything. And I'm not putting the parentheses at the sleep function, at the sleep name, because right now I'm not calling it, I just want to get access to it. Now we can go after each GoPyGo command and put the Pi to sleep for a certain number of seconds. It's like the wait block. Sleep, parenthesis, 2 parenthesis, for example. We can see the use for the parentheses. It's possible to put values inside of them. Those values are called arguments. Sleep parenthesis 1 parenthesis here. Sleep 0.5, half a second here. Another sleep 0.5, and then sleep 1. Go backward for sleep 2. Save the project again. Now run it again by clicking the gears, and voila, a nice GoPyGo dance. You've successfully done your first Python project. Time for a celebration, no? You've learned about the Genie environment, you've learned about libraries and functions and arguments, and you've created a small dance for your robot. Woo! That's actually quite a lot. Congratulations!